Best meat grinder made in USA. Number 1. Chef Ano. Meat grinder made in USA. This heavy-duty meat grinder can be work as meat grinder, sausage stuffer machine and kibbe maker to meet your daily needs. The meat grinder mechanical is using the 100% pure copper motor, normal rated power up to 350 watts and the peak value can reach up to 2600 watt. Various meats and vegetables can be ground efficiently, approximately 180 pounds meat/hour, great for saving your time and labor. Grinding. Kitchen home meat grinder is using the 3 layers auger pulls, reduce the heat and grinding to lock the nutrition and prevent from storing the meat fiber. In this update, our food grinder as much as possible reduce the situation of the gray streaks coming out on minced meat. It not only ensure fresh of the ground meat but also make you and your family healthier. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Number 2. Happy Buy. Meat grinder made in USA. Premium quality, made of food-grade stainless steel, wear-proof, and rust-proof, including the outer casing, top tray, and blades. Our commercial meat grinder provides you reliable using experience with its gears being able to cut the meat into various kinds you desire. Its polished surface and fine workmanship make it beautiful in appearance. And it is easy cleaning and stands up for a longer working period. Powerful performance, featuring 1100 watts power motor, the meat grinders can reach a speed of 193 R per minute and grind approximately up to 150 kilograms/330 pounds of meat per hour, able to grind meat fast and conveniently. It can be applied to versatile ingredients, including small chicken bones and fish bones. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Number 3. Yabano. Meat grinder made in USA. Powerful meat grinder, Yabano meat grinder with 450 watts, 3000 watts max, high power motor, helps you take less time grinding up bulk batches of meat. Sausage and kubi/kibbe attachment allow you to make sausage and kubi. Control quality of ground meat. It comes with 2 size stainless steel grinder plates, so you can choose the coarseness and texture of your meat and ensure you can always get freshly grounded meat. Safety design. The locking knob and overload protection provide safety for use. The meat grinder will turns off if overheating or overloading occurs. Press the reverse button feature allow you to take out a tendon that got stuck while grinding. Easy to clean, the meat grinder can be taken apart, washed and cleaned. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Number 4. Ultra Life. Meat grinder made in USA. Powerful electric meat grinder, 110 volts, 60 Hz, suitable for North Americans. Features 350 watts rated power and 2800 watts max locked power. Grinds up to 3 pounds of meat/minute, fast and convenient. 100% copper motor and metal gear are more durable, you can use it over and over again. Coming with 2 cutting blades, 3 size grinding plates, 1 sausage kit, 1 kubi attachment, 1 food pusher, can work as a meat grinder/sausage stuffer machine/kubi maker. 420 stainless steel blades and plates are sharp and durable, ideal for grinding various food, beef/chicken/venison/garlic/chili, etc. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Number 5. Albosi. Meat grinder made in USA. 4-in-1 versatility. With 4 kinds of accessories, this all-in-one meat grinder can take care of all your kitchen needs. 4 accessories include meat grinding, sausage stuffer, kubi maker, cheese grater for fresh cheese, vegetable, saving kitchen space and meeting your diverse cooking needs. Newbie friendly, simply place meat in the hopper and switch it on to grind. The powerful 300W motor grinds at a speed of 1.5 kilograms, 3.3 pounds, per minute, 7 millimeters grinding plate. Compared to manual food processing, the electric meat grinder reduces the risk of finger injuries, saving you time and effort, and making it easy for beginners to use. Safe and thoughtful design. For current price, please check the links in the description box. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.